We're at 1423 North 45th. I'm making this recording from the clean out in the back. We're about 100 feet out from the clean out. I'm going to pull back from this point. We're going to get a look at the line. We're in 6-inch diameter clay pipe. We're got to be out under the street by now. We're going to come back from here. So there's water that just sits in this area, so it's a little bit flat. It should always be draining out. Like there should never be water sitting. So it's a little bit flat for a small section under the street there. But that's not, I don't think, causing the clog still. I think we're further back if you're saying 51 feet. So there's a pipe tying into the line there on the left side. There's kind of the 51 feet mark. There's not much there. There's a small lip there. I'm guessing this is where the section is. This is right where your other bathroom ties in. I'm going to locate this spot. I don't know, because I'm not here when you get it unclogged. I mean, ideally, you would have... Ideally, we'd come out to unclog it. That way I'd know exactly where we're at.
I called you.
Did you? Or what happened? Couldn't get out that day?
You didn't respond.
Oh. And just...
It was like,
we couldn't wait because
yeah,
it
I
was
know.
Monday night.
I know.
So,
Yeah.
because the tenant couldn't wait. So.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I mean, if I had to guess, that's where it's blocking up. That's right about 50 feet. I mean, right in that area, and it's doing a sharp turn there. The other thing I can see in there is there's baby wipes.